Welcome to Superhero Forces. Which superhero is known for climbing walls and shooting webs? Incorrect. Correct. Who is a superhero with a shield and wears a blue, red, and white costume? Incorrect. Correct. Which superhero can fly and has laser vision? Incorrect. Correct. Who is a superhero with a magic lasso and a golden tiara? Incorrect. Correct. Which superhero wears a high-tech suit of armor and can fly? Incorrect. Correct. Who is a superhero that turns big and green when angry? Incorrect. Correct. Which superhero is known for being super fast and wears a red suit? Incorrect. Correct. What superhero uses a hammer and controls thunder? Incorrect. Correct. Which superhero is known as the king of the seas and can talk to fish? Incorrect. Correct. Which superhero uses an arrow and a bow as his main weapons? Incorrect. Correct. Who is a superhero that wears a black suit and protects Wakanda? Incorrect. Correct. Which superhero has the ability to shrink and grow to any size? Incorrect. Correct. Which superhero wears a red suit with gold lightning bolts and is super fast? Incorrect. Correct. Who is a superhero with web swinging powers and a spider sense? Incorrect. Correct.